Okay po, good morning again. At maraming salamat sa panonood ng video ito. So, in our previous topic, we discussed po yung ano yung ICT proficiency examination and then ano equivalent nito in civil service eligibility at ano yung possible na pwede nyong applyan if you pass the ICT proficiency examination. So again, there are bigger opportunity for you to be part of the government service if you pass the ICT proficiency exam with the civil service eligibility equivalent. So sa ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin yung tungkol sa ano yung mga benefits na makuha nyo when you take the examination. First, sa mga company po, yung supervisor is using the ICT proficiency examination to evaluate the competence of current or would-be programmers and systems analysts. So, masasabing magaling ka sa programming if you have the competency. You pass certain competency. And one of the competency na binibigay sa Pilipinas, ito yung ICT proficiency or ICT specialist proficiency examination. So another reason ginagamit yung ICT proficiency examination is that it is for us or individual to assess his or her knowledge and skills for the purpose of continually improving his or own technical ability. So, paano mo yung masabing magaling ka talaga or alam mo yung programming? So, through certification. So, isa itong paraan for assessing your knowledge and skills in programming, especially in any related to technical abilities or IT related positions. And lastly, by the ICT training centers to enrich the curricula to enable their students to have better chance of joining the core of competent ICT professional. So in the academy, malaking tulong to assist the quality of instructions na tinuturo nila for their students. So paano mo masabing maganda yung product mo? So one way to measure that is you have a higher percentage of passers in certification or competency exam. And one of the certification examination is the ICT Specialist Proficiency Examination. So that is why we encourage schools, training centers to encourage their students or graduating students to take the examination and pass the examination. So, uh, another thing, sino ang pwedeng kumuha ng exam? Pwede ba kung tapos ng 2-year course, kukuha ng examination or I attended a training online? So, kung nakagraduate ka ng 4-year degree course or bachelor's degree, or you will be graduating for the examination date as certified by the dean of the school and must have undergone formal training in a college or training institution in the area of programming. So, meaning, dapat 4-year course ka and then Filipino citizen. So, kung test the graduate ka and then kukuha ka ng special proficiency examination, hindi po pwede. Kasi bachelor's degree po, equivalent nito. And again, once you pass the ICT proficiency examination, there is an equivalent of civil service eligibility or EDPSE na pwede niyong gamitin when you apply for any plantilla position, especially technical position or IT-related position in the government. So, kaya ang plantilla positions mo would be plantilla from 12 higher. So, mas mataas parang eligibility 2 ang equivalent po nito. So, again, maaaring kumuha lang ng exam is those graduate of 4-year course, not necessarily na IT-related course. As long as you have the background or training in programming, then you can take the examination. So, I think that's all for now. So, at least napag-alaman natin sa discussion ito ano yung maaring benefits in taking the exam as well as sino ang pwedeng kumuha ng examination. So, hanggang sa muli, see you in our next video presentation.